5 seconds. What's that shop at the beginning that you passed over there?
Sorry, I don't speak English.
Oh, you don't speak English?
Yeah.
What language do you speak?
French.
French only?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll speak slowly.
Okay.
I saw you walk fast. I thought I needed to approach you,
Okay.
like to come and say hello.
Ah,
Because I'm meeting my friend very quickly, and I was like, I have to take my chance.
okay.
My name is Andre. What?
No, my name-
oh, enchanté,
no,
enchanté. Yeah, I thought you said
it's
enchanté. Fucking weird.
Joëra.
Joanna.
No, Joëra.
Joanna, you seem like you're from somewhere in the Middle East, like North Africa.
Yeah.
Where? Morocco, Algeria,
No.
Egypt?
No.
Where?
Tunisia.
Tunisia.
Yeah.
I heard those people are crazy.
Why?
I have a friend from Tunisia.
Ah?
Yeah, it's like a long story. I don't know where you work, but she works in marketing. It's like an addiction. She sits on her phone
Okay.
and swipes all the time.
Okay.
Left and right, left and right.
Okay.
She's like a crazy maniac. I hope not Tunisians are like that. Not all of you.
No.
Just
Me,
her.
Yeah. I think just him. He's crazy.
She's like not weird or anything. Like
Okay.
she's good looking, but it's like an addiction inside.
Okay. I get it.
So I was thinking like maybe that all Tunisians are like this.
Okay, no, it's not like this. No.
My mom was like, Andre, be careful of Tunisian girls. They might look good on the outside, but on the inside, they can be.
Seems like
Yes.
like girl.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
Yeah, that's what my mom told me.
Okay. And you where you from?
Can you guess?
Angleterre.
Russia.
You? Russia?
Me? Yeah, me. How did you not get that?
No, because the Russia is cold people.
Yeah, cool people.
Yeah.
See how cold I am?
No,
You're getting,
you are social, not
you're getting the cold energy.
Okay. But
It's the coldness.
I don't have more time right now.
Where are you running? You're meeting your friend?
Yeah, so...
You have WhatsApp? We'll talk on there.
Okay.
What's your name? I forgot.
See.
Crazy
Yeah.
people.
No.
Tunisians, like,
N'importe quoi.
you continue this stereotype that I already have.
Yeah, no.
Jesus. Okay, enter it yourself. Yeah. Jesus. Oversensitive. There you go. Okay, do you remember my name?
Angelo.
No. You're terrible. Oh my god, I'm
Yeah.
telling you. Like,
I'm sorry.
you're never gonna get along. I'm telling you, this is gonna happen in the future.
Okay.
Like, you're gonna get married, and then you're gonna come home, you're gonna call him Peter.
But
Okay.
your name is not Peter.
My name is not Peter, but you're gonna call me Peter. Yeah, because you came with me Angelo. So you're gonna make up another new name, you're gonna call me Peter next time.
No. This I don't remember. This is why.
Andre.
Andre. Okay. Andre.
Terrible memory.
Okay, Andre.
Andre. It's easy in French.
Yeah.
Okay, nice meeting you. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, Andre here, and today I wanted to talk about one of the most common problems guys face when beginning pickup. This is the question of how do I alleviate the fears of approach anxiety? How do I begin to actually start approaching girls that I like? And the question is actually much more broad than this. It's, let's be honest, it's not easy to do something that you've never done in your life, right? If you lived for 20 or 30 years, you've developed by now a set of deep-rooted behaviors inside of your head that you're used to behaving. You're used to behaving in a certain routine, in a certain way. You're used to thinking about things in a specific structure, and just changing it because of a book that you read or a video that you saw is very, very difficult. This process takes time. This process does not happen overnight. There's no magic pill for this. And number one tip that I want to share with you today is go out and do this regularly. Another thing is your goals have to be reasonable. So a lot of guys, when they start off, they base their goals on the final result. Final result, I mean, is most likely you're in game because your game is shit or your sex life is shit. And that's fair. We were all there in the start. And how do you deal with this? A lot of guys set goals of, you know, I want to get here. I'm starting game because I want to get to this stage. And every time they go out, they want to get closer to this goal. They want to, in the back of their head, this idea is rumbling through them that, oh, I need to get sex, I need to get a number, I need to get a date at least that will get me closer to this. And that is fair in some way, and in another way it is a false limiting belief, because if you base everything on your final result, if you base all your goals on final result, on sex, then you will be deeply frustrated with yourself. You'll be beating yourself down because you're not going to be seeing this progress at the beginning. Now, let's start it off and break it down. If you're starting pickup and your level is at least here on a 0, you're starting out from scratch, and you want to get to here, which is regular sex, a good sex life, something that you would enjoy with. This process requires multiple steps for that to happen. It's kind of like reaching a house, right? If your house is elevated and you have to take multiple steps, you have to walk up these steps and reach the final door to open it, right? There's not one big step, there's not one big jump that you make in order to come there and open up your house. No, and every time you go out, weekly, monthly, you set these gradual goals, step by step. If every time you go out and you look at yourself, I haven't achieved this, so does that mean I'm not good at game? Absolutely not, because like I said, our progress goes from time to time, and if you're setting your goals at the final stage, I want to get sex, I want to get laid often, you're not going to be seeing this progress, right? You're not going to be seeing the progress, the steps that you eventually jump, you take to get closer to that goal, because you'll always be looking up at the final last step. Right, so you need to track yourself every single day, every single week. You have to analyze yourself how you go out in the game. So for example, if you go out this week and you're not able to do approaches at all, start off with something small. And the next week, if you're already beginning indirect approaches, you're starting to freely be able to ask for directions, be proud of yourself. You're able to make it to the next level, right? You're already advanced yourself. And after the next week or the next month, you're already able to do direct approaches, which is great. Yes, girls might not talk to you over 10 or 20 seconds, but you've already made this progress from the start with not being able to talk to anybody at all. Set your goals gradually, and you will see this progress in the end, in the long-term run. Until now, take care. Thank you for watching. Peace out.